We will be going over the assembly of a freedomRail double hang O-box and double hang big O-box cubby. Start by opening the carton and remove all of the product. Set the O-box side panels, the top and bottom shelves, and the hardware to one side and the cubby parts to the other, and unpack the hardware. Unlock all of the cams by turning the arrow so it aligns with the hole. Place the hanging brackets over the holes in the side panels so that all 5 holes are visible. Use the Euro screws and a number 2 driver to mount the brackets to the panels. Install the connecting bolt to the top and bottom shelves. Using a number 2 driver, drive them all in until the cuff on the connecting bolt bottoms out on the shelf. Lay one of the shelves with the bolts facing up. Place the side panels onto the connecting bolts, making sure the edge banding lines up and the cams are facing into the cabinet. Lock the cams by turning clockwise until it cannot turn further. Place the top shelf onto the side panels and lock the cams. Assemble the finger lock cubby together and slide it into the O-box.